Progressive muscle relaxation is an exercise where you tense and relax different muscle groups. The purpose of this exercise is to create a body-mind connection that can help you become more aware of the differences felt during moments of tension and relaxation. If you have recently experienced an injury or feel any pain in any part of your body, please skip those affected areas as you move through this exercise. As we begin, find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Begin by taking a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Allow tension to leave your body. Take in another deep breath and let it out slowly. Now let's start with your feet. Curl your toes and hold that tension. Squeeze a little tighter. Continue to breathe as you hold that tension. Squeeze the tightest you can and release. Wiggle your toes. Notice how that feels. Now focus on your legs by tensing the muscles in your calves. Hold that tension. Squeeze a little tighter. Continue to breathe. Squeeze a little tighter. Hold on to that tension. And release. Notice the quality of that sensation. Next, tense the muscles of your upper leg and buttocks. Squeezing your thighs together, continue to breathe as you squeeze those muscles. Hold that tension. Squeeze a little tighter. Continue to breathe. Hold it and release. Notice the sensation that comes with the release. Now tighten up your stomach and chest area. Squeeze those muscles. Continue to breathe as you hold on to that tension. Squeeze a little bit tighter. Hold it. Breathe. Release. Notice the sensation that comes and how it moves in your body. Continue breathing. Now, make a fist and bring your arms to the side. Squeeze. Hold that tension. Remember to breathe as you hold on to the tension. Squeeze your hands, your arms to your side. Continue to breathe. Squeeze a little tighter. Hold it. And release. Wiggle your fingers around and notice how that feels. Now bring up your shoulders and touch your ears. As your shoulders come up, squeeze and hold. Continue breathing as you squeeze your shoulders to your ears. Hold the tension. Squeeze a little tighter. Continue breathing and release. Next, roll your shoulders back and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Hold the tension. Squeeze a bit harder. Continue to breathe as you hold that tension. Squeeze a bit harder. And release. Notice the sensations that come with letting go of the tension. Now let's focus on your face and neck area. Imagine you're eating something sour, perhaps a lime. Close your eyes, press your lips together, tense your forehead muscles, nose, and cheeks. Squeeze and hold it. Continue to breathe as you hold that tension in your face area. Squeeze a bit tighter. Breathe. Hold it. And release. Notice the sensation you experience in your face and take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Now we are going to tense all the muscles at once. Bring awareness to your feet. Begin by curling your toes. Make fists with your hands. Squeeze your arms into your rib side. Bring your shoulders to your ears. Bring tension to your legs and buttocks. Contract your stomach muscles and chest. Close your eyes and tense up your forehead. Press your lips together as you squeeze your toes, legs, buttocks, stomach, chest, arms, fists, face, and cheeks. Hold that contraction. Breathe. Squeeze a little bit tighter. Hold it. Breathe. Squeeze the tightest you can. Hold it. And release. Take a deep breath in. Let it out slowly. Notice the sensations that are present as you let go of the tension in your body. What do you notice? How do your muscles feel when they are holding tension? And what sensations do you notice when the tension is released? Take one last deep breath in and let it out slowly. Thank you for being here today.